Juniors, don't miss out on the opportunity to join a virtual presentation from the University of Louisville's admissions team on May 7th at 2 p.m. This is a great time to learn about the school's programs and scholarships. You can register for the event at bit.ly/CCR Eventbrite or click on the link in the Junior CCR Google Classroom.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Great day to be a Bronco. It is Thursday, the 7th of May. We've got 20 calendar days left to the end of this school year. It's been a weird school year. It's had its ups, it's had its downs, it's had its, you know, it's a little bit of everything really, and a pandemic to go with it. I want to say to my seniors, man, you guys have been amazing. You are the last group ever in the history of Douglas that would have had the option on whether to come or not. So I can't thank you enough for trusting us and joining us on this venture, this academy thing, this beautiful school, all the things that we have had the opportunity to do together. I want to remind you guys, Saturday school is in session this Saturday. The reports I got from last Saturday were outstanding. A lot of kids went into the room. A lot of kids were getting one-on-one help. A lot of kids got a lot of work made up. May 15th, we want our seniors to be done with their NTI work. We got to update transcripts. We got to do a lot of things to get the graduation list ready. So May 15th is your target day to be done with your NTI work. Want to encourage you to get on Mastery Prep and practice some ACT skills. This is the time when we get to shine, right? When everybody else is sitting on the couch eating gummy bears, you are living an active lifestyle for your brain, an active lifestyle for your body. And I'll tell you what, guys, I got a confession to make. I've even started meditating. I am by far the world's worst meditator. I can't sit still. So me having to anyway, but I'm trying, man. I'm trying. It's all about personal growth. It's all about being better. It's all about growing as a person. And I want you to share ways that you're being active, ways that you're engaging your brain, ways that you're doing things with hashtag FDHS Bronco Strong. And I want you to share hashtag beat C19 for COVID-19, hashtag beat C19. So every time you do something that is pretty cool, I want you to share that hashtag. I will say that social distancing this pandemic has really made me spend a lot of time with my family, a lot of time with my kids, and I love it. The opportunity to see my 2-year-old grow, her birthday was the other day. The opportunity to hang out with my 5-year-old and work on those kindergarten readiness skills, and the opportunity to be with Lucy, my second grader, and help her with her homework. You know, it's just been awesome as I try to do the principal thing here from the house. So the other thing I think that social distancing and this pandemic has done is everybody's really good at washing their hands. Everybody got really good at washing their hands. I'm telling you, and that's a good thing, because when we get back on campus, we are going to have to implement some healthy and safety protocols and standards and things to keep everybody safe and fit. But I digress. I want you to be active. I want you to be healthy, and share that with us. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.